day dissolves its heavy shape, I let the logic fall away. A sudden perfume in the cold, a story that was never told. I do not turn the other way, I let the strange guests come and stay. The armor slips off of the skin to let the fluid hour in. Oh, the surrender to the tide, nowhere left to run or hide. I am the boat without an oar, drifting from the solid shore into the deep and violet blue. The impossible is coming true. I float, I float. The accident is just a door, I haven't walked inside before. The bruise becomes a blooming flower inside the secret silent hour. I taste the salt upon the wind. Where does the self realize?